Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make Gajar ka halwa or carrot halwa. Take some pre-washed carrots, peel and grate them. In a hot pan, add quarter cup of clarified butter or ghee. Add grated carrots. Fry for 8 to 10 minutes. Pour 200 ml of milk. Carrots are loaded with vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K and fiber. It helps in hair growth, improves eye health, keep heart healthy. It has anti-cancer properties. By adding milk to the halwa, it becomes good source of calcium for bone development. It is a good source of dietary fiber, which ensures healthy digestion and bowel movements. It strengthens the immune system and fight infections and other inflammations. Now we'll add 200 gram of milk solid or Khoya to this. Keep frying till the solid dissolves. Cover and cook for some time. This is a time-taking preparation, so be patient. Need to keep frying so that the milk evaporates. The more we fry milk solid and the carrots, the tastier our halwa will become. To this, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of green cardamom powder. Mix them. Carrot halwa is combination of nuts, milk, sugar, khoya and ghee with grated carrots. It is a light, nutritious dessert with less fat than many other typical sweets. It has a medium shelf life, so it is not sometimes exported. At festival, people prefer vegetarian dishes as well as desserts in their thali. Because of its low fat content, vegetarian characteristic, ease of making, medium shelf life and taste, Gajar halwa is a popular dessert all over India and often served at most festivals. The dish is popular among adults as well as children. Now add sugar as per your taste. I have added 150 to 200 gram of sugar. Mix everything and fry the halwa till the water or the milk evaporates. Add nuts and seeds as per your choices. Do try this recipe at home and let me know in comment section how it turned out to be. Keep frying till milk or water evaporates. Add quarter teaspoon of nutmeg powder. This is optional. This adds flavor to the halwa. Once done, switch off the flame. While serving, garnish with dry fruits. It tastes delicious with ice cream. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.